What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light and turn signal bulbs on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to open the trunk, just use the key. Right, there is a release over here. It's kind of hard to see. You just push down on the release right there. Slide it in, and then this piece slides out. You can disconnect the connector right here, just slide it out. To remove the turn signal bulb, you just push down on here and slide the bulb out. This bulb is a P21W. We're just gonna line these tabs up right here. There's two slots right there, and twist and lock it in place. For the marker bulb, you just slide this down, pull it out. This is a P21W bulb. Line it back up and reinstall it. For the brake light bulb and marker bulb, push down on the bulb, twist to the left and slide it up. This bulb is a P21/4W. It's a dual filament. It only goes in one direction. Line the tabs up. It'll only go in one way. And push it down and twist it to the right just slightly. Hook this back up to the connector, lock it in place, then line the bulbs up with the taillight and lock it in place.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.